We're getting ready to go down for snorkeling. Shini just vomited and the fish are coming out to eat her vomit, which is gross. Ew. Okay, so if you want the fishes to come near you, don't eat the medicine. Hello everybody, 我是诗婷。今天是我们 family trip 的 day 3，也是在刁曼的 day 2。然后现在是早上6点半，然后一个人坐在 cafe 这边听海浪声，因为只有 restaurant 这边有 WiFi。然后我的家人还在准备，因为我们等下8点50分就要去 snorkeling， 所以7点就要吃早餐。我一大清早找 WiFi 做什么诶？做 thesis。因为我们昨天晚上10点全部人就睡着了，所以我什么都没有做到。既然今天这样早起来，就做一点啦。
1 hour later.
Okay, we're getting ready to go down for snorkeling. Woo! So Shini just vomited and the fish are coming out to eat her vomit, which is gross. Ew. Fish underwater right now because it's Shihui's vomit. Just now it was Shini, now it's Shihui. You have to do Ew. Okay, so now we're resting and chilling on the beach, which literally has nothing.
Much later.
Okay, so we're back from a very bumpy ride on the boat, and yeah, snorkeling was fun. Andrew, how was your first snorkeling experience?
Fun. The first spot that we went to, I kicked some coral, so my toe got hurt. But every time after that, it was pretty fun. No kicking coral.
Yeah, so lesson learned. Andrew stepped on a coral, so don't go near the corals.
Yep.
And Shihui and Shini got motion sickness. So yeah, remember to eat your pills before you go on the trip.
Lots
yeah.
of vomit.
Yeah, lots of vomit and lots of fish food. Lots of fishes too.
Lots
Yeah.
of fishes.
Okay,
too.
so if you want the fishes to come near you, don't eat the medicine. So 现在已经2:40了，我们才回来，现在要先去冲凉，然后快点吃午餐。所以我们现在回来 hotel， I mean resort。Yeah， 然后这个吐了忘几次。Yeah, okay, so apparently this resort only has one toilet and one, what's that called, shower? Yeah, so we have to queue up. This is my first time snorkeling. Okay, actually it's everyone's except for Shini. So how was it?
Snorkeling was fun, but I really should have eaten my motion sickness pills. But it was fun. It's fun to have other people to pull me around in the water because I cannot swim.
Okay, yeah, her personal lifeguard right here. Okay, 大姐冲好凉，可是她不舒服，就直接倒下去睡着了。所以我现在去找父母吃午餐。现在已经3点了，然后二姐跟 Andrew 还在冲凉。So yeah. Okay, 我现在在 restaurant order 了食物，然后帮 Andrew 拿这个 antiseptic cream，因为他缠到脚。Okay, 大姐终于睡醒了。And they are coming for lunch.
哇，精神啊！
都过来啊！对呀。
So they are sunburned.
We have Asian glow.
So red. So red.
She got no glow. See? Got
Yeah,
no
because
glow.
I got sunscreen.
I also got sunscreen.
I put on
You
sunscreen
didn't put
too.
on enough.
I didn't put.
No, it's because you're used to Malaysian sun now.
No, because my sunscreen is stronger.
You're new to the sunlight.
Yeah. Yeah. Foreigner.
Guys.
All of us took a nap, and apparently I'm sunburned too.
Sunburn now.
Yeah, matching shoulders. Oh, 很痛。现在天黑黑，我们本来晚上要吃 barbecue， 现在是要去 book， 然后沙滩上没有什么人，因为好像要下雨了。
哦，这个也是50块嘛。
哦。
这边可能45咯。
OK， 我们找到了这间。我们今天早上去 snorkeling 的时候 ，the parents already asked around， 听说这间是这里最好吃的。
对呀，他写4点到11点。
现在才7点，我们还没有饿，所以先去海滩走走啊。OK， 没有拍到2个 video， 它就开始下雨了，所以我们就直接来吃晚餐。
Yang apa masak steam limau sedap.
Steam limau ni lah. Kalau ini macam nak goreng.
He's showing us directly which fish is for
Kalau
us.
ini steam tak bagus. Ini macam 3 rasa ke sambal ke. You goreng dulu lah.
Ya, tengok tu. Water time. Water rice. Picture first, kan?
Oh ya.
Terima kasih.
吃饱了，雨停了，我们要去散步，走回去 resort。After dinner， 坐在这边用 WiFi， 因为只有这个地方有 strong WiFi。低头族，
抬头族。
哈哈。Okay, so the lobby Wi-Fi sucks. So now we're playing cards in the room. Yeah, 我们要有赌博的感觉，可是又没有真正要赌，所以就拿一堆块来玩，玩完了全部放回爸爸的 pocket。
是要 declare winner 吧？
Yeah, just to declare the winner.
还在分钱。
Okay, we taught Andrew how to play 21点。
First.
Yes. Pay me.
How much? 50.
Yeah.
应该被 lock 在我里面了，所以就全部。
Oh.
因为那边很多人。
Start 看。
I lost all my money.
Okay, Andrew won all our money. This is beginner's luck.
11, 12, 13.
Nice,
And,
13 and some coins.
Some coins. I started with 2 ringgit.
And now you got
Dollars.
13.
Yeah, wow.
Nice. Beginner's luck.
Beginner's luck.
Okay.
500%.
Next time you can come for Chinese New Year and we will play.
Win our relatives' money.